Okay, so we have a question right here. They say three workers. Three workers. Wait, the question. Say three workers. Let me get started here. All right, we ready. Very, very soon we're gonna be ready. We ready. So they say three workers on the same job, showing by the following results over a long period of time. So we have the face worker, gift, timber, and see these are workers. The face worker, gift, timber, and oil. But we have a variance. This is the variance here, you know, because look, standard deviation. If you square root the variance, you get standard deviation. See, so if these are variance here, they give us variance. Look, because these square, okay, let me just say this, of the standard deviation. Excuse me, sorry. So these are standard, these are variance here, you can see, because, okay, let me say something here. Look, if you take a standard deviation and then when you square, you get variance. See what I'm saying? So that's how it says standard deviation, they square. So this is a variance. For us to get standard deviation now from variance, look, let me say this. Means we have to square root this and square root this and square root this, because these are standard deviation. All these rows standard deviation. So when you square root, you get 6. Square root of 36 equal to 6. Square root of 49 equal to 7. Square root of 25 equal to 5. So those, which is 6, 7, and I can show you for the beginner. For some people don't know what that means. What I did is just a square root of 36, and then see you get 6. Square root of 49, then comes square root of 49, square root of 49. You get 7, and square root of 25. You do the same thing. Also, you're gonna get 5. Okay, so then this, what we got is the standard deviation, standard deviation, standard deviation. How? So then they want you to find the coefficient of variation. Before I continue to read this, let's find the coefficient of variation. Then we're going to continue and see what do they want. So the coefficient of variation, you always take standard deviation over your mean. This sign here on top mean is 10 for standard deviation, like that. Or you can just simply say SD, either two. They stand for standard deviation. And this sign here stands for the mean. So we have both for each. Let's find the coefficient of variation of the phase space on, which is G. How are we going to get there? Standard deviation of gift, which is this sign equals 6. And then over is mean, because mean they give here straight away. Mean equal 25. See this sign here represent mean. Mean equal 25. So this is going to be for gift. So let's say coefficient of variation for gift. We're going to plug in the calculator soon. Okay. Check your calculator. Come here and plug 6 over 25. Fraction 6 over 25. Okay, 0.24. So 0.24. That's the standard deviation of it. G. Now let's come in coefficient of variation, my point, because they find the coefficient of variation. And we say coefficient of variation equal to standard deviation over mean. Now let's go for the second one. Coefficient of variation for timber, T, let's say put T, equal to the standard deviation over mean. What is the standard deviation of timber? Is 7 over mean, which is 24. So 7 over 24. I'm going to plug in a calculator soon. 7 over 24. Is 0.291. Okay, 0.2992, because when you approximate that 6 is going to say 292. 0.292. So 0.292. Okay, 92. Okay, right here equal to 0.292. Oh my god, sorry. Coefficient of variation of timber equal to 0.29. It's 2.9. Let me just say 0.292. Yeah, 292. Now, for the last one, coefficient of variation of Renoyle Ara. Okay, standard deviation. What is the standard deviation? Is 5 for this case. For the last one, is 5 over 19. So 0.263. 0.263. But hey, if you want to get coefficient of variation, you must multiply each one, multiply by 100%. Multiply by 100%. Even this one here, you must multiply by 100, and this multiply by 100. But what you're going to do now, if you come to the question here, let's pay attention to the question. They say the vehicle that appear to be more stable. You know what more stable means? Something which is more consistent. More stable. It does not change. It can be maintained. Or stability. It has a stability. So whenever you have a coefficient of variation which is too smaller or smallest than all, that's the one which is stable. The smallest one is the most stable one, or the most consistent one. Sometimes they use consistent, sometimes they use stable. So which are the smallest out of all of them? Let's go for the first one by one. This is 0.62. This is 0.29. This is 0.24. This is the smallest one. And this is shift. So then I'm going to say the coefficient of variation for this case is going to be for shift. Yes.
If y'all want to reach out, how do we pronounce your name? Let me try. Wait, let me try.
Mntwana Wabantu.
Okay.
Mntwana
Wabantu. Okay.
Yes, watching here, they can learn from me that, relationship is very, very important. And, sometimes don't look about today. You might scam somebody maybe $1, but you don't know who that person is. You know what I'm saying?
Well, this is the thing, too, that for many years, I've always been that person to try to link, hook up, pass on, or help people, because I used to know a lot of people, right?
Everyone, my name is Pico. The reason why I'm doing this video is because of Mntwana Wabantu. It's because of the help of Mntwana Wabantu. Mntwana Wabantu is a nice guy who helps people like me who don't afford torture.
And that's exactly what you're saying, is that, these people who are scammers and try to get over on people, and all they're doing is living from day.
Oh, is that Mike? Is that, hold on, it look like some, what's your name, bro, at the bottom right? Mntwana. Right? Mntwana.
I don't know how to say it.
I apologize. My mic was muted. I apologize. I'm sorry.
It's okay. What's up, y'all?
Not much cooling. Hey, man, I watch you all the time. I just want to give my thanks to you, man. Cause me and my lady.
You said kind of get that.
Thank you for giving us clothes. Thank you for looking after us. We appreciate your clothes and your shoes you're giving for us. He give us clothes. We don't have clothes, but he's giving us something. He's looking after us.
Okay, Shamil, tell them, when did you last go to school?
I was going last year. Last time I was going to school.
Which grade was that?
I was grade 9.
That was grade 9. Yeah. That's the last time you went to school. So you can become engineer. You can become scientist, right?
Yeah.
I was also on the street. I think I tell you every time, right?
3 years you said.
3 years I was down the streets, okay? So I was just like you, okay? I was also on the street for 3 years. But I came out of the street and that changed my life, okay? So, yo, what's up, man?
Yeah,
how you doing, bro? Yo, what's up, man? Hey, what's up? Okay, cool. You see, I was also on the street for 3 years, okay? Say hello to the brother, man. This is my brother, man. How you doing, man? Cool. So I got a lot of clothes for you, okay? You remember I told you I was gonna go and get clothes, shoes. I got some food. I'm gonna buy you some food, okay? Huh? No problem, man. Come on,
you know brother got your back. What did I tell you last time?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So Shamil, he said he stopped last year, right? Because